Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I like to make easy keto recipes. Today I've teamed up with ChocZero and we have a fun, colorful dessert for you. This is for people of all ages and not just kids. I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow cheesecake dessert. Let's get started. This recipe requires no baking and it's very easy to assemble. Depending on how many colors you want to use, you want to evenly divide your cream cheese fluff into some smaller bowls, and then add a few drops of food coloring to each one. Now our no-bake cheesecake fluff is ready and it's time to assemble. Top it with some vanilla whipped cream. Make sure you check out our recipe for ChocZero's no sugar whipped cream. And enjoy! Make sure you guys tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your rainbow cheesecake fluff dessert.